May $1 ako.
Interact hindi gumagana, kaya ito, magbibilang tayo. Ilawan mo nga dito, Mars. Magkano pa ba? Ayan na.
Nagkakalkal din.
Ayan.
Ay, $1.
Wala na akong pera. Wala akong cash.
And the tip I can give you is the lotto.
Wag, maybe that's million already.
If you win, you call me.
Yeah, of course.
Yan, sira ang aming ang aming walang kuryente. So, wala kaming interact, transfer. So, mga bisa hindi gumagana. Ngayon, magbibilang tayo ng pera. How much that one? Maghahanap ng mga coin. Oh, 2. Oh, eto na. May 5 uli.
Oh, yeah?
4. So,
Why does
tip.
the
Samahan niyo ako magbilang.
Yeah,
50,
you probably, I think,
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 70, 72, 25. Sorry, sir. We already have. I don't have any more. Look, everything is down.
I
Oh,
give you $5.
wala pa ako magpambayad.
Huh? You want?
Oh,
Give you $5. Ilan na ba yan?
all cents.
One
Yan.
$5.
Walang kuryente, wala po kaming pambayad na.
Ilan ba dapat?
Ay, walang kuryente,
no.
internet
Ilan ba
is
dapat?
not
Kulang
working.
pa ba?
Look.
I'm gonna kiss you $5. Kulang pa ba? Magkano ba?
No, we don't have tip.
No,
It's exactly
no,
la.
count.
Count.
Ano ba yung,
So,
magkano ba yung presyo? 77, but I want, it's 90 with the tip. Yeah, pero wala pa atang 77 yung atin eh. 77?
Meron, 77.
Meron na ba?
Meron. Lahat ng lima ko lumabas na.
Let me go to my car. Maybe I have point in my car. Ano, Mars? Magtitingin ka sa car mo?
Wala na. I got all my money.
Meron sa car ko, pero nasa bahay na. Mars, meron ako sa car ko.
Wala, oh.
Coin.
Ano na to, oh.
Yeah, we have
Puro
to go
papel.
back there and then come back. Are you crazy? We have to go back to Coordinate. I have a lot.
At least we have 70. At least we have the thing.
73.
73. So we owe you $5.
73.
We owe you $4. Yeah, 73.
Oh, yeah?
We owe $4. I'll come back to.
2, 4. No, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 73. I don't have money anymore.
Me too.
73. Kulang po kami.
Kulang po kami na. No, I think I have in my car. Check mo, maiwang muna. Yeah. I'll go in
Ito,
my car
dali.
and check it.
Magkano pa?
But it's dark. I don't wanna be alone.
No.
Someone's gonna kidnap me.
You need a bag?
Yeah, for her. But me, I don't. Well, let me go to my car.
Samahan kita? I'll go with her, okay?
Ah?
I'll go with her. Dito ka lang.
Wala nga. Ay, babalikan niyo ako ha.